Hello, ano po pangalan niyo, sir?
Ako si Rico. Sa mga tropa, minsan ang tawag sa akin si Corix.
Okay.
Kaya ang channel name ko is may kasamang Corix. Maris Corix kasi yun eh.
Okay po. So may vlog po kayo, Maris Corix.
Oo, mayroon
Ano po yung mga videos niyo diyon, sir?
Meron tayong vlog sa mga
Mga
videos natin
fishing.
sa kalimitan. Fishing lang din at saka walking, exercise din.
Nakita ko nga yung ibang mga videos niyo diyon, may mga huli kayong lapu-lapu, 'di ba? Yung grouper ba tawag doon?
Grouper, na-check pa ako yun. Dito rin yun. Dito
Oo.
rin sa lugar na yun. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ang pagka nakakita.
Ano pa full name niyo, sir?
Federico ako.
Okay po.
Rico Hermoso naman ang apelyido ko. Mga tubong Marinduque rin ako.
Taga
Malapit
Marinduque
din sa lugar
kayo.
ko, sa Romblot.
Okay, taga Marinduque po kayo. Lagi po kayo dito, sir, pag Friday?
Mostly dito lang sa tabi. Sa Corniche, minsan doon sa kabilang side. Minsan doon. Ngayon medyo maraming tao doon sa kabila. Kaya dito ako pupunta.
Okay yan, yung tatlo na yan sa likod, sa inyo po yan?
Kulang pa yan.
Ilan ba lahat?
Yan.
Grabe, ang dami. Bali tuwing weekend nandito po kayo.
Weekend, Biyernes, Sabado.
Ayan, okay.
Pagkalipas ng oras, halip na matulog at
Okay.
manood ng TV. Dito na tayo nagtatambay sa tabing dagat.
Okay po. Ayan po, si Rico ng Maris Corix.
Maris Corix Channel.
Yan po.
Panoorin nyo, excited.
Panoorin nyo po, magaganda yung mga video nyo doon. Malaki yung mga...
May lapu-lapu doon, may lapis.
Yun.
May makuko.
Malalaki yung...
Sawa kayo, o
Ayun.
yung recipe na doon. Pati magluto.
Aba.
Yung malaking 6 kilos na huli ko nung nakaraan, i-video ko rin kung
Ayun, maganda yun.
Iwain, sisibakin ko.
Ayun, maganda yun. Abangan ko yun para mapanood ko rin. Ayan po, maraming salamat po, Rico ng Maris Corix channel. Sige po, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Look, I find a new friend here. This is Miming. Orange and white color. Ming. See? Hello. She wants to play. Ming? Are you a girl or boy? Let me check. You are a boy. Ming. Sorry, I don't have food. I have only sunflower seeds. Hello. I have a new friend. Ming. Hello. Yes. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? You want to sleep beside me? But I have to go now. I have to go now. I have to go now. I will miss you. I hope to see you next week, next Friday. Okay? Be a good boy. Ayan. Doon, harap ka doon, oh. Yun, oh. Ayun, oh. Yun. I found a new toy, a new friend and toy, Miming. You're dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. So, bye-bye now. Bye bye. Don't be sad. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, you want to play with me? Hmm? No, no, no. Don't bite that. Don't bite. That is my headset. Huh? Look at the camera. See, 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 see. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. There, 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 there. Huh? Look at the camera. Huh? 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 Okay, I'll go. So it's high tide today. Now it's 8:20 in the morning, and we cannot see the small port in this part of the Corniche. In one of my videos, the last video, you can see this one with Palestinian family with Ismail, Alina, and Omar, and their parents. So now it's underwater. So high tide. I hope all of you are doing great right now while you are watching my video. And once again, thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you are having a great time. It's becoming too hot now. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. It's beautiful to see all these dates, trees lining up in front of the sea. The sun is high above. And the sea breeze touching our face. It's a great feeling. I just finished also my short jog. And now we are just walking and going home. You can see from my back, this is the track for biking, walking, running and jogging. It stretches to 2,000 meters, and you can see on the post, they have a post every 200 meters, back and forth. That is the man-made lake. of the sea. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for joining me. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, if you like my videos, please subscribe, hit the like and share button, and also please post your comments below for any suggestions or any comments you might have. And I hope you enjoyed watching my videos, and hoping to see you next time. Have a great day, guys, and see you around. Bye.
Bye.